In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Interactive Broker's paper trading account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their website and you want to log in. And over here on the login page, make sure you switch to paper over here where you have the switch button. Everything is going to turn red. Here it's going to say simulated, and then just log in with your username and password you use for your paper account. Okay. Now, when you do that, press the login button and you'll get the access to their dashboard over here. And inside, you'll be able to see you usually get about like a million of your currency on your paper account. So of course, if you want to reset that, go ahead and click on settings, top right, and then click on account settings. From here, from the account settings, you'll be able to see it's going to say paper trading account reset. Just click on this configure button over here, so the cogwheel. And then from here, you'll be able to see it says select reset amount. You can click on here where usually it's going to say choose one. You can just basically choose one, or you can click on euro to 250,000. So that's completely up to you if you want to do that, or you can select other amount as well. And then you basically have to just specify the amount you want to do. And whenever you do that, you can just go ahead and click on continue, and then you can confirm that, and it's basically going to get reset. Just mind you, over here, it's going to say only the cash amount will be reset. For a full reset, you should close all positions in the paper account before resetting the cash amount. And here it says paper account reset requests received by 16, so by 4 ET, will be processed by the next day. Okay, so that's all you have to know. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.